Now we will see the addition and subtraction of fractions. We come across many situations in our daily life where we need to add or subtract the fractions. Can we combine and add the fractions, or can we take away some number from another? That is, can we subtract one from the other? Let us see an example. Suppose Shekhar ate 2 chapatis for lunch and 1.5 chapatis for dinner. What is the total number of chapatis he ate? In this example, we require the fractions to be added. First, we will see adding or subtracting like fractions. All fractions cannot be added orally. We need to know how they can be added in different situations and learn the procedure for it. We will start with addition of like fractions. Take a 7x4 grid sheet. The sheet has 7 boxes in each row and 4 boxes in each column. How many boxes are there in total? Color 5 of its boxes in green. What fraction of the whole is the green region? Now color another 4 of its boxes in yellow. What fraction of the whole is this yellow region? What fraction of the whole is colored altogether? Does this explain that 5 by 28 plus 4 by 28 equals 9 by 28? We will find the sum of 2 or more like fractions using the given steps. Step 1. Add the numerators. Step 2. Retain the common denominator. Step 3. Write the fraction as result of step 1 divided by result of step 2. Let us add 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. We have 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 equals 3 plus 1 by 5 equals 4 by 5. For finding the difference of 2 or more like fractions, we can use the given steps. Step 1. Subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator. Step 2. Retain the common denominator. Step 3. Write the fraction as result of step 1 divided by result of step 2. Let us subtract 3 by 10 from 8 by 10. We have 8 by 10 minus 3 by 10 equals 8 minus 3 by 10 equals 5 by 10 equals 1 by 2. Let us see addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. When we have to add or subtract unlike fractions, we will first find equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Let us take 2 unlike fractions, 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. We want to subtract 1 by 5 from 1 by 2. In order to subtract them, we first find their equivalent fractions with the same denominator. For this, we take the least common multiple, LCM, of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. we can write 1 by 2 equals 1 into 5 divided by 2 into 5 equals 5 by 10. 1 by 5 equals 1 into 2 divided by 5 into 2 equals 2 by 10. Therefore, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals 5 by 10 minus 2 by 10 equals 5 minus 2 by 10 equals 3 by 10. We will see another example to understand this clearly. Simplify 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. The LCM of 5 and 20 is 20. Therefore, 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20 equals 3 into 4 by 5 into 4 minus 7 by 20 equals 12 by 20 minus 7 by 20. 12 minus 7 by 20 equals 5 by 20 equals 1 by 4. Let us see how to add or subtract mixed fractions. Mixed fractions can be written either as a whole part plus a proper fraction or entirely as an improper fraction. One way to add or subtract mixed fractions is to do the operation separately for the whole part. Another way is to write the mixed fractions as improper fractions and then directly add or subtract them. Suppose we want to add two mixed fractions, 2 4 by 5 and 3 5 by 6. How will we add? We can add in two ways. We can write 2 4 by 5 as 2 plus 4 by 5 and 3 5 by 6 as 3 plus 5 by 6. So 2 4 by 5 plus 3 5 by 6 equals 2 plus 4 by 5 plus 3 plus 5 by 6 equals 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 5 by 6. Now add whole parts 2 and 3 and proper fraction parts 4 by 5 and 5 by 6 separately. That is 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4 by 5 plus 5 by 6 equals 4 into 6 by 5 into 6 plus 5 into 5 divided by 6 into 5. Since LCM of 5 and 6 equals 30 equals 24 by 30 plus 25 by 30 equals 49 by 30 equals 30 plus 19 by 30 equals 1 plus 19 by 30. Therefore, 2 4 by 5 plus 3 5 by 6 equals 5 plus 1 plus 19 by 30 equals 6 19 by 30. We can also do the above addition in different method. We can write 2 4 by 5 as 14 by 5, 3 5 by 6 as 23 by 6. Now adding, we get 14 by 5 plus 23 by 6 equals 14 into 6 divided by 5 into 6 plus 23 into 5 by 6 into 5 equals 84 by 30 plus 115 by 30 equals 84 plus 115 by 30 equals 199 by 30 equals 180 plus 19 by 30 equals 6 plus 19 by 30 equals 619 by 30. We are getting the same answer in both the cases.